Hi guys, it's day 156 of the house build, the Philippine house build. Lots going on. Got the water filtrations hooked up. It's deactive now because we don't really need it. Some roof work going on. The ceilings are almost completed in the house portion anyway. Let's see, what else? Rendering going on, a lot of electrical. We've only got till the end of this week, Saturday, which is the end of the week payday. They're going to take 2 weeks off. So we've only got another 4 days after today of work to do. So actually, sorry, that's three more days, Thursday through Saturday. So anyway, let's get a weather check real quick and see what we got. So it's, I looked at the forecast and we have nothing but rain coming for at least the next week. So it's a little blue where it usually is blue, but it rains. It's on and off rain pretty much all day. So so the transformer, nothing really new there. Still waiting for the barracks to be tore down. That should happen probably when they get back, I'm thinking. So that'll come down, then the underground wire from the transformer can come down the pole and then over to the side of the garage over there. So that's it for the transformer and electrical outside. I think the guys are mixing some cement here. Thank you. So this is our supply line from the well pump coming through here. This all gets buried. The final grade will be probably somewhere around that cocoa lumber level right there. But that's the water from the well pump going into the water room. And this is the water line coming out here. I think the two lines are backwash. The smaller lines are backwash lines, and the bigger line is the supply. So that will come down. That wall will also get channeled. We're going to bury the lines in the wall. It'll come down. The two backwash will go into this catch basin. This water supply will come down the channel that's going to be made, and then it'll follow that line to the back of the house. Make my way over here. It is very wet. And this green pipe right here, that's the water supply going to the house. So that over there will end up hooking up to that right there, and that will all be buried underground. I'm going to have them drop the level as it comes over here because I don't want it that high in case somebody hits it with a shovel. Oh, there's our electrician again, Louis, doing some work. Okay, that's it for that. Here's the mounting brackets for the two compressors and the lines. So here's one compressor, here's another compressor going to be mounted there, and those one will be for the living room, the other one will be for the kitchen. And there's the lines running right there. So that's it over here. Doing some rendering here on the side, creating that detail at the top of the wall there, or the top of that beam. All right, so that's it for that. This is all pretty much complete as far as rendering goes, so this all looks very nice. We did have a mistake by the water filtration guys. They tried putting the water coming out right there, and we told them no, it's supposed to be on the side, so that'll have to be patched up. That's it there. Here's the black sand. They're sifting that for the finer stuff. Into the carport. Roof is on. In here, all complete. We still have flashing to do. The flashing, unfortunately, won't be done till after the break, so we'll have to wait till January, which isn't a big deal. If we have leaks on the side, I'm not too concerned about it. It should really only be rain that makes it through those side holes, and it's only for a couple weeks, so no big deal there. This wall got rendered here. And this is going to be the dirty kitchen across here, so that'd be the drain for the dirty kitchen, for the sink. We're going to have 3 plugs on this wall, so 1, 2, 3 between the lower cabinets and the upper cabinets that'll be there. Into the gen room. So the generator will be located right in this area here. It's going to be a fairly large generator. Probably somewhere in the neighborhood of 35 kW diesel generator. So this is a distribution panel, power in from the transformer into here, and then it will be divided into 2. So one will go here, one will go here, and one of those circuits will be the smaller wire here, and the other one will be this thicker wire here, because the 2 panels in the pantry, one's a bigger service than the other one is. So I'm assuming this is going to be our power in from the transformer here. So that's it. That's it for the gen room. This is going to be the manual transfer switch for the generator, and that will be mounted over here. So that's it for that. Let's go into the water treatment room. So previous videos, that's the bladder tanks, 2 bladder tanks, 200 liters, 200 liters. So we got 400 liters total. However, only 1/3 of that is water. The other 2/3 is compressed air. So 400, so we have about 133 liters of water will be at full capacity, will be these 2 tanks combined. So that's it for that. This is our water in from the well pump. Comes into here. Obviously, that's the pressure switch right there. So that's that. There's a shut off on each bladder tank there. This is our gauge to read the water pressure. This is just a water valve if we ever want to just leak the water out, drain the water. And then this here is a pressure valve. If the pressure reaches, I think we have it set at 75 right now. That'll start leaking there, and if it goes above that, it'll blow out a lot of water. So we shouldn't ever bust a line here. So the pressure switch is going to be set at 45 and 65, or maybe even closer to 70. Which is what the gauge is showing right now. So that's that. So it goes into both bladder tanks. They just create pressure only. There's no water in, out. It's just water in to create pressure, and it comes back, goes in and out the same line as it creates pressure. Or we feed the water pressure from the tanks. And that comes over here. This will be the brine tank for the filtration system for backwashing. So we got another valve over here, shut-off valve here. Okay, so this comes over to the, let's see, we got a water softener here, granularly activated carbon here, and a multimedia filter here. These will have timers on them, and in the middle of the night, like 2 a.m. or something, these will turn on, backwash the filters, and those will be the 2 pipes that I showed you out the side, the 2 smaller pipes. So from there, it comes out, and ends up, I think, in these 2. So this is a post-polishing carbon 1. And a post-sediment filter 5 microns. That's size. So that's that. This is going to be, I think, a backwash for these. And then after that, it will come out and go to the UV filter. So this is the UV here. And then from there, it exits out that hole that I showed you, and then comes around back of the house to the water main. That's it there. Don't really see anything else new in the water room. We are adding, so the electrician is going to take this box and add 2 more boxes back here for all these to plug in. UV, so there's 1, and then each one of these, so that's 4 total. So that's that. Nothing really new. You guys leaving? Okay, see you. Stella's family came to visit. That's her brother over there. All right.
Cousin.
And cousin. Cousin's on the bike.
Just coming to check our house. Just, you know.
Okay, so that's that. So yeah, I think in the carport, the only thing new is this wall here is rendered. All right, so let's make our way. We'll go in through the front door. So let's go back out through the carport. You come with? Huh?
Yeah, I will
Okay. Did you want to come with me, or are you gonna? Okay. All right. So Stella's gonna walk with us today. Do you have your mic?
My brother is staying. It starts 7 o'clock.
Yeah, her brother. In case you didn't hear, her brother got here at 7 a.m. So he's been here pretty much all day, because I think it's currently 2:30ish.
Yes.
So he's been here a while. So front entry, we got this all rendered. This portion here, and this portion here. So the front door will consist of a 36-inch wide door across here, and then there'll be a side light and a side light here. It will also have a transom up top, which is basically a window, fixed window up above. And this round, let's do it this way. There we go. This round shape here, the top of the transom will also have that round shape, and then flat on the bottom where it meets the door. So that's that. We didn't, when we figured for ceiling, we didn't figure this area here, so we're gonna have to add a couple more sheets.
Oh yeah.
So the main living area, here's the ceiling. Pretty much done, except for this area over here by the front entry door. So once we get this all, the walls all finished here, they can complete the ceiling over here.
He can figure out how he go.
What's that?
My brother gets dirty, I think.
What's he doing?
He will wash his feet.
Oh,
He bump it.
he got in the mud.
Do it.
That's Stella's brother. He's an overseas worker, so he's here temporarily for a month visiting. Also visiting and taking care of business. So, and his name's Kuya Michael. So,
Washing his feet.
washing his feet. All right, so that's that. So yeah, kitchen area, ceiling's pretty much complete. Dining area, and also living room. So that's all complete over there.
Sige, ingat kuya.
So that's that. So that's all complete. Lavatory. Nothing really new in there. Looks like maybe he's doing a little bit of wiring there. So the pantry, that wall was done previously. They've thickened this wall to bring it out to the panels. So I think they added like 3 inches. So they're rendering that now, getting that all finished up. So that's good. Over here, some of our light fixtures. So let's see, we're going to have an island here that will have pendant lights coming down, and also the dining table. No, actually we ordered those local. So the pendant lights for the, I'm pretty sure they're called pendant lights, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Over the island here, all the bathroom lights are from the U.S. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a shelf built under that right there, so that there's going to be a plug there, and then the conduit is to run the wire. So we'll have a voltage reducer that'll be sitting on a shelf right here. And that's going to service everything that needs 110 instead of 220. So that's that. So that's all looking good. Let's make our way back through the hallway. So all the hallway ceilings all attached now. That looks good. Got some wiring here. This will be for the guys. We bought 5 or 6 of these lights. Now that the roof is on and the ceiling's going in, some of these rooms are getting dark, so it's allowing them to have lights in the rooms that don't have any windows. Bedrooms. This will be Shenrik's bedroom. Closet, 2x4 doors. No ceiling in here yet, but the framing is complete. There's 10 roof vents up there. So there's 3 on the back of the house, 3 on the front of the house, and then 2 on each side.
How many pieces? 6 pieces.
Those all look good. So I think they should get. They haven't had the ridge on because they've been. That's how they were attaching the safety rope. So there's a safety rope at the top, at the top peak. So whenever you walked up the roof, you had a safety rope that you could grab hold of. So let's see the main bath here. Outside framing only for the ceiling. So that's that. The next bedroom, they've started the ceiling in here. So that's what they've got done. In here. I don't think they got anything in that closet, but I can't get over there right now, so I'm just going to leave that alone. So that's it for that bedroom. Laundry. Just the framing again. No sheets attached. Don't see anything else new in here. Bedroom. Bedroom ceiling complete. In here, so that looks good. We got some extra sheets. Pieces, so that's good. Master bath. Started the ceiling in here. They just got that portion yet. So not too bad. Walk-in closet for the master. No ceiling yet. Only the framing. Metal framing. Here's another shot of the roof vents. If you're interested, there you go. So there they are. What's that?
Already on break.
Yeah, if you want to do celery, go ahead.
Can you give me the car keys? Truck keys.
Hold on.
So I will close my mic.
Okay. Thank you. All right, so that's that. The patio is also going to have cement board, and that's all complete. So there it is there. It's like a bowling alley. This will be tiled. We did buy tile. We decided to tile. Yeah, it's as it gets finished, it's definitely showing how big this rear patio is, this area. So it'll be nice, and there's such a nice breeze. Everybody who comes to visit, to check out, is always talking about the breeze that's come through here. So maybe we won't have to run the aircon as much when we're in the house. So just open up the sliding doors here. Just use the screens, and then for the front porch, just open the front door. We'll have a screen door on that also, so we can have the air flow right through here. So that's that. This is all the material. This is going to cover the gutters, so this will be, I call it a beauty panel, but flashing, I guess, would be a more technical term for it. Below, these features on all the columns, there, and there, will all get like a stacked stone tile attached to it, just on that bottom portion only. So that's that. Let's make our way to the back here, and we'll look at the house from the back of the property towards the house. I'll go this way. All right, so it's a little soft out here from all the rain we've been getting. Not too bad though. So here's the house from the back. Got a carabao chilling in the mud. There's the guys finishing up on the roof. I still had a lot more screws to go last time I was up there. So that's good. Looks like they're getting on that. All the rendering seems pretty complete on the back here, so that's nice. Neighbors' coconut trees. Cool. That's that. So there it is. There's a house from the back. I don't think I've ever given you that view before, but that's it. This area will have to be filled in somewhat. We can't go all the way up because we're actually going to have a wall. They call it fence. That'll run the back of the property. Obviously, it'll have holes to let the water out, but we're going to have to fill this some, but not too high. So I'm not sure yet what we're going to do there. Debating again on the retaining wall that's going to run up here. Yeah, somewhere like right here. So 2.5 meters off the back of the patio. I wanted to run a retaining wall across here from wall to wall, so all the way from each side of the property all the way across. So this dirt level will be here, and then it'll drop 1 meter at the retaining wall and then continue out. The thing with that is, as we get up over there, that's almost at the patio level, so that means a lot of digging would have to happen over there. So so I'm either thinking a straight retaining wall, so straight across, or the retaining wall goes there and then cuts, it'll have a circular type shape and go back to that corner over there. So actually, sorry, back to that corner over there. So it'll come over there and then straight across. So I got to figure that out, what we want to do there. But like I said earlier, the guys are going to have 2 weeks off, Christmas week and New Year's week. So I think they'll be back on the 5th, I think is a Monday. And then this coming Saturday is their last day. So that's that. The work area for the roof guys, they tore all that down. They took that yesterday. Their scaffold and their roof that was there. So that's it there. Will be an outside faucet right here under this detail right here. One of the 7. So we're gonna have 7 outside faucets. So that's that. After we leave here, we need to get some more ceiling ordered, delivered, not ordered, delivered, because I do have it. I think we had 80 pieces delivered the first time. We'll probably have to order another 80, and that should complete the rest of the house, the carport, the gen room, and the water room. All need sealing yet too. So, but we do have leftover metal for framing, so we're good there. Looks like this tile here and soffit material removed from the bedroom into here. So that's all it. We're still waiting for the remainder of the soffit material to come at City Hardware, is where we ordered this from, or where we got it from. They had to order the rest of it, so we're waiting for that to come from Manila. The rest of the vapor barrier that's left there, and that will do the carport and pantry, this little hallway here, and the lavatory. So hopefully there's enough to finish that up. So that's it there. Yeah, we gotta be careful of the materials that we order so they're not sitting here for the 2 weeks. We will have one of the crew, I will pay. He's volunteered to stay. Obviously Christmas Day he won't. He'll be gone, he said, a few hours or whatever. But that's up to him how long he wants to be. But he will be here, and so we'll pay him. He'll be keeping an eye on the property for the 2 weeks. The electrician will be working, he said. Our guys will not be, and the roof guys will also be working. So we will leave the electrical service working hot for the people that will be working. Yeah, that's about it. No, I did think of one more thing, sorry. So our CCTV, we're gonna do, I think it's a 24-inch monitor that will go right here between the upper cabinets. Upper cabinets will be from here up. This here is for the under counter light, so that will be getting covered by the upper cupboard. So that upper cabinet will be here. So between here and the lower cabinet, we'll have the CCTV monitor will be here. And then in this upper cupboard here in the kitchen, all the electronics for CCTV will be located in there. So that's that. That electrical outlet up there, that will be for the doorbell. The doorbell button will be located on the pedestrian gate out by the street. So there'll be a motorized gate for the car that'll be across here, and it will move to that side when it opens, and then this side when it closes, and then next to it over here will be the pedestrian gate, and that's where the doorbell button will be located. So we also have one CCTV camera located there. And then we've got 8 located interior, 2 interior, 6 exterior, and then 1 at the gate. So we have a total of 9 CCTV cameras for security. And that's it. That's all I can think of. Sella seems pretty happy. Yes, she said yes. Looks like the guys are done with break. They got paid. Sella got them paid, so they're all good. Tradition here for your workers, you're supposed to give a Christmas bonus. So we are going to be giving them a bonus this Saturday. So they'll get the normal pay plus a bonus. And we'll talk about what that is. I don't want to give that away right now. So we'll talk about that Saturday in Saturday's vlog. And speaking of that, since they are off for 2 weeks, I'm not sure if we're gonna have any vlogs. Stella might do some frequently asked questions video from the house, maybe 1 week. So you might get one week, and then maybe we'll figure out a second one. If anybody has any questions they would like answered, put them in the comments for this vlog, and we will try and get to them in either the first or second week that they're off when we make that vlog. So questions there, and then if anybody has any other ideas for another video that they would want, definitely let us know. I think that's about all we got.
Yes.
How about you, Stella? Got anything to say?
Nothing po.
Nothing, Paul?
Yes.
Okay, all right. You want to say goodbye to everybody?
Okay, bye-bye.
All right.
Thank you. So you told them
So says thank you.
that our video will be last on Saturday.
Say that again?
Our video is on last Saturday. I have my mic.
Oh, you have your mic. Sorry, my bad. Okay, go
So
ahead.
just put the video there.
Oh, here, sorry. She don't want video.
So our
She thinks it's
last-
oh, nope, she caught me.
our last video is maybe Saturday. Yes.
Yes, I already told them that, yeah, if they have any videos that they'd like to see made that we could do, or also you're going to do frequently asked question video,
Yes.
answering frequently asked questions, obviously. That's about it. I think we're over 1,500 subscribers now. Thank you, everybody. I never thought it would get that big. So really do appreciate everybody who has subscribed. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed, like they say, it grows the algorithm. So I would appreciate if you are watching, if you could subscribe. Thank you very much. And also to those who have commented, thank you very much. So that's about all I got. So from Sel and I, thank you very much. Early Merry Christmas.
Yes, it's too early.
It's,
Yeah, it's just 19. I know 18.
it's too early. Yes, it's too early. So early Merry Christmas, and hope everybody's safe. And we will talk to you in a few days. And that's about all I got. Okay, we out. Bye.